2 minus 5 times 2 minus 5. We are going to solve this expression together. 2 minus 5 equals negative 3. And again, 2 minus 5 equals negative 3. And negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 equals 9. However, this answer is incorrect because we didn't pay attention to the PEMDAS rule. Look, PEMDAS is just a simple trick to remember the order of operations in math from first to last. First, P is for parentheses, so you always clear those out first. Next is E for exponents, like power and roots. Then you have M and D for multiplication and division. These two are on the same level, so you just solve whichever one comes first, from left to right. Finally, you get A and S for addition and subtraction, which work the exact same way. You just finish them up from left to right. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. According to the PEMDAS rule, we solve inside the parentheses first. So 2 minus 5 equals negative 3. Now our expression becomes 2 minus 5 times negative 3. In the next step, negative 5 times negative 3 equals positive 15. And finally, 2 plus 15 equals 17. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe the channel and like the video.